Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On the left we're passing the Jose Marte High School. In our previous video we had mentioned the school, but we called it by the wrong name. So thanks to the subscribers for pointing that out to us. That's the Jose Marte High School. Alright, today we're driving out of Kingston. We're driving from Spanish Town to Old Harbour, and we're on the Spanish Town bypass now, and we're going through our security checkpoints. Okay, police hard at work. No, the Spanish Town bypass, though. Spanish Town is to the right, and the town is very busy. So in order for traffic to flow freely through the country, the government has been putting in these bypass roads. So we take this road so we don't have to go into Spanish Town and contend with the traffic. So as you can see, the traffic is flowing freely. So if you need to go into Spanish Town, you would use one of these feeder roads to go in, and if you're not, you're just passing through to get to, say, Old Harbour. You use this road, and it's a bypass of the town. So it's called the Spanish Town bypass, and almost every major town in Jamaica has one. Same thing with Old Harbour. You don't have to go through the town, you can go on the highway and bypass it. Because these towns are very busy, and with the indiscipline on the Jamaican roads, you find persons parking in spots in the town where they're not supposed to park. And as a result, the traffic gets backed up. And literally, as you pass through the town, the traffic frees up again. It's just how things are. Especially, I mean, everybody knows the taxi operators and the bus drive operators. They park, they stop anywhere. I mean, we're not picking on anybody, they just cause a lot of the traffic mayhem. But it's not them alone. You have regular passenger cars that stop in the road, park in the wrong spot, but mostly, for every one passenger car that does it, you have 5 taxis that do it. So they clearly are the major violators when it comes on to those things. So okay, the Spanish Town bypass now takes you from Twickenham Park, or by the Jose Marte High School. There's a roundabout. It runs from there all the way to the Bogwalk Gorge. So you can bypass the entire town of Spanish Town. Now this road on the left is Port Henderson Road. If you turn left, you can take that road all the way back to Portmore. If you turn right, it takes you into Spanish Town. It's one of the feeder roads. And the 3 of the largest populations in Jamaica are found in Kingston and St Andrew, Portmore, and Spanish Town. So this road, Port Henderson Road, is one of the feeder roads or the secondary roads that connect Spanish Town to Portmore. So as you can imagine, it's a very busy road because it's 2 of the largest populations in Jamaica. Okay, so we're continuing on Spanish Town bypass. As you can see, we just passed that tire location. You're going to see quite a few on the road, because this road is for like persons that are leaving Kingston. There's another one on the right. So you find this road isn't too bad, but with the secondary roads, there's another tire shop, a lot of potholes. So you find that you have a lot of tire work to be done, basically. A lot of tire damage, a lot of nails. So basically, they get a lot of business. And because it's such a busy road, the person is always stopping to get the tire fixed. Okay, this road now, if you turn left, you take you back into Portmore. If you turn right, it takes you into Spanish Town. So this is another secondary road that connects the 2 communities. a very busy road. You can see the amount of traffic, especially the traffic going into the Kingston and St Catherine. Okay, now this road in front of us at this intersection is March Pen Road. If you turn left, you go into the March Pen community, and if you turn right, it's another feeder road that leads you into Spanish Town. And for those of you that are new to the channel, we make videos around the entire Jamaica. Every parish, every town, so you can like, share and subscribe. Remember to turn on the notification bell. Every month we travel the island making videos. Every month. Okay, on the right is some construction. I don't really see a sign to say what it is, but if I was to guess, I would say it's a gas station because there are many on this road. As you can see, the stoplight has one of the new cameras that can be used to issue tickets and also used by the police as part of Jamaica Eye to track cars. So the police is using the latest technology to help fight crime, and one of those technologies, one such technology is the camera system, and it works well. They've used it many times to track cars and intercept cars. Okay, coming up on the right, that warehouse that has the blue and white building, that's the food, oh my god, what's the name of this place now? Food for the Poor, that's their office, that's their location in Jamaica. It's a charity that helps persons in need. Okay, we're now coming up to the roundabout, and we are on Spanish Town bypass. If we were to take the first left on the roundabout, that will lead us to the Highway 2000, the PJ Patterson Highway. Second left, we're going to go around the roundabout so you can see. So this left, straight ahead, that's the entrance to the PJ Patterson Highway, or it leads us to the entrance to the highway. If we turn left at this intersection, that's Old Harbour Road, that leads us to Old Harbour. This intersection up here now on the left, we would continue on Spanish Town, on the Spanish Town bypass road, and this intersection coming up on the left takes us into Spanish Town. And this intersection on the left now, where those two cars are going, that's where we were coming from. That's the Spanish Town bypass road. Okay, so we are going to turn left on the Old Harbour main road and head towards the Old Harbour area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.